guys, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to cancel your fiber package on Afrihost. So you go to client zone, you can see the website .co.za, clientzone.afrihost.com. Once you log in there, it's going to ask you for username and password. Put it in. Once you're there, then what you're going to do, you're going to click on connectivity. But if you have a website or whatever, any service, you can click on websites. You click there, then you're going to be able to cancel those. But now if you have a voice over IP, then you click there, then you cancel one. But now what we're going to do, we're going to, let me see on voice over IP, I don't have one. Click go back and then say connectivity. On connectivity I have this. What I'm gonna say, I'm gonna click here. Once you click there, then you go to edit package. To set edit package, then you're gonna do what? Click on cancel. It says reason, my installation is taking long, I got a better deal, I can't afford it anymore, installation was nightmare, experienced bad service from Afrihost, experienced bad service from okay, that is my own time. Afrihost is a good company, but they use Vumatel, and the reason is they take long to respond. Afrihost talk to them, but they take long, like they are maybe helping you to have internet. I think I'm saying poor network performance. There wasn't no poor network performance, everything was fine. But then we work on internet, and once you miss one day, you miss a lot of money. So we click on this from, okay, select rate bed 1 2 3 whatever. We say average 6 excellent. Please select, we're gonna say 4 5, we say average, cancel, claim free 1 month, no thanks for. Before you go, we would really sad to see you going, and would like to give you the next month on us. Yep, that's a free month from us to you. Why are we doing this? We would like to do the best we can, and we need to find out where we can improve. We will schedule a representative to call you about why you are wanting to cancel your package with Afrihost. So if you want to cancel, say no thanks. If you want to claim the 1 free month, you can say claim that month if you want to. Okay, say thanks you for giving us the opportunity to keep you as a client. So once you do that, it's gonna also give you that and say okay, it was cancelled. Understand? So that's what you're gonna see. Well, they have that convincing stuff, because Afrihost itself is a good company, I won't lie to you. It's collection of money, they are not that bad. When you call them, they respond. When you send an email, they respond. They are quite good. But now the problem is, like, also they have these other companies they work with to manage giving you some services, because they work with a couple of companies to give you these. So now those companies are the ones make them to look bad. You understand? So that's the way you cancel your package. This year they gave me also a free website hosting for free. Everything was free. Now they offer a month. After they give you that month free, if you wanna leave, you go do the same steps, you leave. Yeah, that's it, guys. Now you can see on Afrihost, but you can see Vumatel Vumatel. You can see Vuma aerial pure fiber. So these are the guys which are making things difficult for some of us. Understand? So I am not happy with them. I won't lie to you. First of all, whenever each and every section they got infrastructure, it's difficult for you to get it cheaper. They are very expensive, not like I think OpenServe. There's OpenServe. There's another company I forgot. They also have those type of things, but them they are cheaper, because if someone on OpenServe and any company works with OpenServe, the problem is like when they dig the holes in your area for fiber, there's no other company can come and dig there. So whoever gets a client, he rent from any person who came and have that facility in that area. So it's difficult for us who wants fiber. If you're staying in a place of these people, you have to use them, you like it or not. And even if once you use them, whichever company you get who's gonna give you, you might have them only, but you might have like Afrihost give you, MWeb gives you, Vodacom give you, MTN give you the internet, but they have to go via Vuma or anyone who's in your area. So you can avoid them. They are super expensive. I don't know. I wonder if one day they're gonna change the way they behave. I know of my German friend in I think 5 streets away from where I'm from. He spent over I think 2 months without his fiber working. He could not reach these guys and all that. He tried to talk to Vodacom. I went with him in Vodacom a couple of times. Also, you could find like also Vodacom, sometimes there's nothing they can do. They are relying on somebody else to do stuff. That's the painful part of this. So I really can't understand why things are done like this. Some people, we don't work without internet. There's nothing you can tell your boss or your clients that I didn't have internet. So you end up buying data which is super expensive somehow, of which you can't do every day. So we need a reliable service. That's why I did this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.